Please don't make this huge mistake. Do not start a business online only to make money, because I'm 100% sure that sooner or later you will quit. Instead, I want you to focus your attention on the most important things in order to make your business successful and consequently make even tons of money. Indeed, money is only the reward you will receive based on how many clients' lives you have changed. In this video, I want to share with you 5 aspects you should focus your attention on that completely changed my way of seeing and approaching a business. My name is Cecco, and I help you sell your expertise or someone else's knowledge to help people solve their problems. On YouTube, I share my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you like this content, subscribe to this channel, turn the notification on, and tap on the like button to help other people watch my videos. Thank you. Aspect number 1. Move the time horizon. Every entrepreneur at the beginning of their career wants to make money fast. And I wanted it too when I started my first online business 14 years ago. Today, it is still possible to make money rapidly, but at the same time, it is only for some. It all depends on your business stage and who you are. Let me tell you that if you are focused on making money fast, it is not the right mindset, even because it can create stress and anxiety. As always, I like talking based on my experience and feelings about creating a business. So, you should move your time horizon and think about what you can create and accomplish in the next 5 years. This is my actual mindset when I start a business. And normally, people underestimate what they can accomplish in 3 or 5 years and overestimate the results they can get in 3 or 6 months. And if they don't get the results they want, they quit. If you don't change this mindset, you will not accomplish great outcomes, and you can blame the economy, the government, or third parties for not having got what you wanted. Taking accountability is always the first step. Aspect number 2. Focus on changing people's lives. Starting a business has nothing to do with feeding your ego. It is exactly the opposite. You must focus your attention on how you can serve others, how you can change other people's lives based on what you know, your knowledge and experience, or based on the other people's expertise. There are many professionals in the entire world that don't have the right business mindset, and they need to be guided by someone else to spread their message. I have helped many professionals to share their knowledge and experience online. For example, psychologists, musicians, physiotherapists, real estate agents, estheticians, and others. You don't have to possess all the resources to start a profitable business. Strategic alliances are a great way to create multi-million-dollar businesses. Aspect number 3. Focus on your clients' needs. Once again, you are not in business to feed your ego. You must become a great listener. That is the basis of selling anything to anyone. You need to master the ability to read your clients' minds. No, I'm kidding. But you should pay attention to the words they use, what they complain about, because they tell you everything you need to know to improve or scale your business even worldwide. And keep in mind that they don't tell you exactly what you have to do, but you have to be capable of understanding their needs based on how they express themselves. For instance, I read every single email. Sometimes I do customer care as well, even if I don't like this task, but it is a great way to find ideas or ask clients what they want. Try it and let me know in the comments below. Aspect number 4. Do you have the skills to succeed? Without skills, there is no execution. Without execution, any idea is worthless. Especially in the online marketing field, there are lots of skills to master in order to succeed. But the best part is that you don't have to learn them all because you will go mad. Indeed, I highly recommend working on these skills, especially if you start from scratch with little money. Number 1. Copywriting, the art of selling with a written word. Number 2. funnel marketing, communications and technical stuff to sell anything you want. Number 3, sales. Number 4, social media marketing, spreading your message to the world. I perfectly know they take time, but I'm working on a special program to teach them all and not only. I'll keep you posted. Aspect number 5. Discipline. Are you a disciplined person? Because if you're not, you need to master discipline as soon as possible. And let me be very clear. Discipline feeds consistency. That is another important attitude to reach great results in life and not only in business. When motivation doesn't support you, discipline makes all the difference. Let me give you some suggestions that help me a lot in creating different successful businesses. Think about one step per day, one single step at a time. This mindset helps me stay on the path without being overwhelmed and anxious. Then, don't be in a hurry. Keep calm, and if something doesn't go in the right direction, and I can assure you that it will happen often, simply take a breath, embrace the fact that success is not a linear path. With discipline and consistency, you can conquer the world. And since I firmly believe that an entrepreneurship mindset is your best ally to reach anything you want, I highly recommend watching this video, 7 qualities of successful entrepreneurs that changed my life. Now, click on the thumbnail and watch this video.